Hi kids! Welcome back to Mimo and Friends channel. Today we're going to learn about food. Yummy! We'll talk about healthy food, junk food, and how to say I like and I don't like. Please stay until the end of the episode, as there is a fun song where we will sing and dance along. Are you ready? Let's go! Healthy food. Look at this. These are healthy foods. Healthy foods help us grow big and strong. Let's say their names together. Apple. Can you say apple? Apple. It is so crunchy when you take a bite. Next healthy food is carrot. This is a carrot. Say carrot. Carrot. Carrots are full of vitamin A. You get to have good eyesight, and strong bones help you grow and keep your stomach healthy. Up next, banana. Here's a banana. Say banana. Bananas are such a good snack that keeps us energized and healthy. What healthy food is superfood? Broccoli. That is right. Broccoli is super healthy. You develop a sharp mind when you eat broccoli. Say broccoli. Well done, you got it right. Apples, bananas, broccoli, and many more healthy foods are good for us like peas, tomatoes, pumpkin, eggplant, and all the yummy vegetables. Great job! Eating fruits and vegetables gives us energy, strong bones, and a happy tummy. Junk food. Now look at this. This is junk food. Junk food is yummy but not very healthy. We should eat it only now and then, not all the time, right? First up is candy. This is candy. Say candy. Burger. Here's a burger. Say burger. Pizza. Pizza. Say pizza. Soda. This is soda. Say soda. Junk food can be tasty, but too much can make us feel tired or get a tummy ache. It's best to eat more healthy food. Now let's learn how to say what we like and don't like. I like apples. Can you say, I like apples? I am to show you different foods on the screen, so please write. In the comment section below, what do you like and do not like? Do you like bananas? Do you like candy? Do you like carrots? What about burgers? What is your favorite food? I like good and healthy tasty food. Do you like the same as me, or you do not like it? Let me know in the comment section below. Great job! You're super smart. Today we were learning about healthy food and food that is not healthy. To finish off episode 11, let us now sing along and dance.
Yeah, let's go! Let's eat! Hey. Healthy foods are super sweet. Come on, dance and move your feet. Sing it loud, let's make a beat. I like apples, nice and crunchy. Or some grapes, so soft and juicy. Bananas feel they're super yummy. Give me carrots when I'm hungry. I like to eat tasty treats that make me strong. Fruits and veggies, oh so neat. Come on, friends, and sing along. Broccoli makes me big and mighty. Oranges keep my body happy. Watermelon, ooh, so splashy. Avocados, smooth and mashy. I like to eat tasty treats that make me strong. Fruits and veggies, oh so neat. Come on, friends, and sing along. Good food gives me energy, helps me jump and dance so free. When I eat my greens and fruits, I feel happy. How about you? I like to eat, yeah, I like to eat. Healthy foods, they can't be beat. Sing it loud, move to the beat. Good food makes me feel complete. Keep eating healthy, friends.
Goodbye.